Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So today's video is a shy away haul. A lot of you were waiting for this haul. I was getting a lot of comments saying when is your shy away haul coming, and coincidentally the brand reached out to me again, and here is another shy away haul. If you haven't watched my last haul, I'll link it in the description box below. I got some amazing deals last time, and even this time I got amazing deals. So if you want to know what all I got, please keep on watching. So as usual, I'll be putting the picture of a model on my side so that you get reference. So let's start with sports bras first. So the first bra I got is this sports bra. This is pink in color. Really love the color of this, and look at the print of this. So this is your regular sports bra. This is a bit loose for me. I got this in the size medium, but my other sports bra, even that's in the size medium, that fits me perfectly. This is a bit loose for me, so maybe a small would have fit better. But anyway, I really loved this. It's really comfortable, really soft again. If you have watched my last shy away haul, you would know I got this bra last time. Even this is a sports bra. I've removed the cups because I found it more comfortable, but this one I've used and abused so much. It's so dirty because every time I work out I use this. I had got one more sports bra, but more than that I had really liked this one, and I was using it so much that it was high time I get a new one. That's why I got a similar design. It's like a similar pattern, and again the price of each bra might seem a lot. I'm writing it on the screen as well, but wait for the deals. Because of those deals, the price comes down so much, you guys. The next bra is again a sports bra. Really love the pattern of this. Like, it looks like you're wearing a t-shirt inside, but it's attached. Really love the color as well, and it looks really pretty actually. If you like to wear sports bra on its own while exercising, if you're comfortable with that, this one would look really amazing. And behind it also has this hook thing, and it just gives a better fit. So really love this. And these two sports bras I got for buy two for 1000 rupees. So those were the two sports bras I got. The next bras are t-shirt bras. So the first t-shirt bra is in this really pretty lavender color, and look at the cups, they are so good quality, and there's underwire as well. Fit of this is perfect. Out of all the bras, I love the fit of these two. Like, these two are same, just the design is different. I'll be showing it in some time, but I really love this. Like, this is my favorite bra among all the bras I got, and it has a really cute bow in the middle as well. And I saved the label as well to show you guys. I just wanted to show you this because I found it really cute. Like, I don't feel like throwing it, because of this thing. Okay, so the next t-shirt bra is a similar one. It's just that the print is a bit different, but the fit and everything is exactly the same. So this one has this lacy like thing. It's peach in color. Even this fits me perfectly, and this is how it looks like. If you're looking for a good t-shirt bra, I would highly recommend this. You can check out the link from my description box. So the next bra is non-padded, non-wired. I just thought of getting it just for those days where I don't really feel like wearing bras, but I have to go out somewhere, run errands or something, and my clothes don't allow me to not wear a bra. Then this is something I wear usually. This doesn't have any padding, and this is quite thick, for those of you who don't like padded bras, but you still want thoda sa thickness because you don't want your nips to show. This is the kind of bra you can go for because this has two layers like this. But I personally I don't like ekdam thick bras. I either go for padded or non-padded. Like, there's no in between. But anyway, this is for those of you who like these kind of bras. I got this mainly for the color. Really love the color of this, and also all the bras I'm showing are in the size 34C. That's my usual size. This one I got in 34B. I don't know why. I just thought of buying 34B. I wanted to try it maybe, and guess what? Even this is looser for me. So if you're gonna get this particular bra, sizes vary with each brand and each type of bra. You have to really watch the reviews or read the size chart, because just one size is not going to be perfect for you in all the brands. So you have to change your size a bit accordingly. So if you're going to get this particular bra, you can size down 1 or 2 sizes. The band fits me perfectly, however the cup is a bit loose for me. The next two bras are very pretty. Okay, these are not something I wear like every single day because I mostly wear bralettes or non-padded bras, but these are something I wear for special occasions or like sometimes when I want to feel sexy. So this is the bra I got. This is so pretty, you guys. Really love this thing here, and it has this lace covering. Look at that, such fine detailing. Look at that, this is lace. And I don't think this is push-up. This is normally padded and it has an underwire. Perfect fitting, you guys. And on the camera, it's looking more of red, but it's actually cherry kind of color, like dark pink kind of color. Really love these colors. Yeah. So the next bra is almost similar, but the color is a bit different and even the type is different. But that lacy concept is the same. It again has this lace and it has this frills kind of thing. This looks really pretty, you guys. And it also has these lines that I found really interesting, and again the thing in the middle. This is again like dark pink in color, but this one has thoda sa red tint in it. This is like completely pink. And by the way, both of these bras have detachable straps, so if you want to remove and wear it crisscross or wear it as a tube, you can do that. I'm not sure if it will work as a tube though, because it doesn't have much support here. If the bra has more support here, like if the thickness is better and grips better, then it's perfect for tube. But for these kind of bras, it might not work as a tube. So all the 5 bras which I showed just now, I got for buy 2 get 3 free. So I got them at an amazing deal. So the next thing are panties. I just thought of trying some panties from Shy Away. For my last haul, I did not get any panties, although I had got 2 panties for free, but those were the free kinds. I wanted to actually try out the brands which they have on their site. So I got these 3. These 2 are completely similar, and again I got these for offer. I'll leave all the offer details in the description box below. So this is the first panty. These are your regular cotton panties. I usually wear these lacy ones, but I don't always feel like wearing them. I feel like going back to grandma panties also, especially on my period. So I wanted to try this one. It doesn't look ekdam se your old-fashioned panties. Like, look at this detailing. Really love this. Love the color as well. And these look really pretty and very, very comfortable. If you're looking for good cotton panties for your everyday wear, I would highly recommend this because these are really comfortable. And I also got these 2. They're exact same except for the color. Even these are very comfortable and good quality. I love this purple one out of all. It looks very pretty. So that was the haul. Those were all the things which I got. I hope you enjoyed this haul, and there are always some offers going on Shy Away. So if you're going to be buying multiple bras or multiple panties, would highly recommend this website because you get great deals. All the deals, all the offers which I got will be there in the description box below, so please check it out. And yeah, I would highly recommend their sports bras, especially this one. Like, the fit is perfect. I would also recommend this one. I'm not sure if this is available anymore. I had got it last year. And also I would highly recommend this t-shirt bra. Like, this is the best t-shirt bra I've ever used, honestly. Like, I've not used a lot of t-shirt bras because I'm mostly into tube bras, either tube bras or non-padded bras. So I rarely wear t-shirt bras, but out of the few bras which I've tried, I really loved this one. This does have underwire, so if you're looking for an underwire t-shirt bra, would highly recommend this. I would also recommend this panty. Very high quality. And this time I checked, they had so many options. I remember last year they did not have a lot of stock, but I feel they're just increasing it with time, and I loved this time's collection. I really loved the site personally. Even though they have paid for all these products, it does not change my opinion. I would genuinely recommend this site to you for your underwear shopping. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any more questions, please leave them down in the description box below and I'll get back to you. If you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. I upload new videos every Saturday, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!